Once upon a time, there lived a young boy who was very poor. He did various small jobs in order to buy food and pay his school fees. One day, he was very hungry after he came back from school. But he didn't have anything to eat.
I don't have money. And I also don't have any job to do till night. How will I make it through the day? Maybe I should have some water.
So the boy decided to ask for water in his neighborhood. He reached a house and knocked at the door. A girl opened the door.
I'm very thirsty. Could you please give me a glass of water?
Yes, sure.
Seeing the boy's condition, the girl understood that he must be very hungry. So she brought him a glass of milk. The boy was surprised to see the milk.
I can't take it. I don't have any money to pay for it.
It's okay. You don't have to pay for it.
The boy thanked the girl. He drank the milk and felt better. He thanked the girl again and went back to his home. Many years passed by. The girl, who was a woman now, fell very ill one day. She was taken to the hospital. Her tests revealed that she had a rare kind of sickness that would need months of great care. Dr. Stephen was assigned to her case.
Don't worry. We will take care of you.
Thank you.
He visited her daily and made sure she was comfortable. After 6 months of intensive treatment, the woman was finally well and could go home. But she had a worry, so she called the nurse.
It's time for me to pay the hospital bill, but I do not have enough money.
You don't need to worry. Your bill has already been paid.
What? By whom?
Have a look yourself.
The girl was surprised because the bill had been cancelled. And in bold letters it said, paid in full, years ago, with a glass of milk. It was signed by Dr. Stephen. The girl couldn't believe her luck. Dr. Stephen was the same young boy she had helped many years ago. Today, he had become her savior. Moral: you never know how your one good deed turns into another good one.